As time went by, the Earth's heroes grew old and weak, but the Mad Titan, Thanos, only grew stronger. His eternal quest to please the Mistress Death, leading him to kill almost every living beings in the universe. And at the end of time, he has nothing left. So the King Thanos brings his younger self to the end of time to have fight for Thanos' supremacy. But the younger Thanos promises to erase the timeline and his future self. So he waits for his daughter Gamora to kill him. He also arrives in Las Vegas, where the demon Mephisto was imprisoned, and after brutalizing the devil, the Titan threatens him to leave Frank Castle alone, as in the future, the demon makes a deal with Frank Castle that turns him into the Cosmic Ghost Rider, who later becomes King Thanos' servant to punish more evils. Thanos is planning everything to prevent the future timeline from happening, and the day has come when Thanos' deadliest daughter, Gamora, shows up and enters the blade into his chest, and with a swing, she decapitates Thanos and kills him. She then takes his head and leaves his body for the animals to eat. And sometime later, Frank Castle, the Cosmic Ghost Rider, arrives in that spot and proceeds to empty his bladder and piece cosmic flames on Thanos' dead body. A nice callback to Nicolas Cage Ghost Rider films. After releasing the pressure, Frank allows the animals to eat the dead corpse, so they all jump and begin to tear apart Thanos' remains. But then, Frank hears a ping, and suddenly, a booby traps kills all the creatures. Frank becomes surprised, and to clear his thoughts, Thanos' brother, Star Fox, arrives and warns him the body is booby trapped, and then he begins to cut open his brother's body. Frank becomes more confused. He has no idea what Star Fox is doing, so he replies he is retrieving something before it sets off an endgame that will burn this entire universe to the ground. And finally, Star Fox pulls out the device that could send the universe into war, the last will of Thanos. So which part you like the most? Please share your thoughts on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.